So guys, first come to gigabyte.com. You can see here www.gigabyte.com. Then here search button, hit and type your model number of your motherboard, then hit then product, and then click to title of your model number. Click on support. Select your operating system. So select any operating system. This is installations process, and you can watch this video and install any operating system through driver. Chipset driver. So click to here and download. Open the exe. Then yes. Now this is installing, and it is done and closed.